to another edition of Hardcore Fishing with me, Scott Senior. You join us here on a nice lovely day, sunny as hell, down at Wimsey Beach. Come off the rocks. We're hoping to get some bass today, small hounds, skate, mixture of fish really. We're hoping to get a few fish. Show you what there's a little camp set up. Right then, we'll get the rods rigged up, and then we'll give you some tips and hints on what we're using today, what reels to use, how far we're going. But for now, we'll just get rigged up and then we'll report back. Join us in a minute when we get rigged up. Well, we've got the first rod rigged up. We've got a nice sand eel on there, on a pennel. I'm going to cast this first one out. So, what we'll do, so you can just about see the cast. Boom in there. And out we're gonna go. Right, that's the first rod out. Come back in a sec and we get the second rod out. You join us back here. I've just got the salt flapper rigged up, £10 line, £60 shock leader, all the way through, down to £60 shock leader, down to £15 line on the up strengths. So that's 2 up, 1, as you can see it's a nice little rig, all clipped down, 200 yards easily with this rig, which I'll go try and have a go at doing it. Right, I'll move my chair back over here so you can see. Right then. Over. Here we go. Do what we do best. That's fishing. Right. One at 100, around 70, one about 120 yards. And we're doing well. We've just rigged up. Let's go to the bait situation, we'll get that cut up in a minute. Worms, baby fish, shrimp, fresh shrimp in the pot, peeler crabs, sand eels. What else we got in here? Rat, shrimp. Keep it all cool, so we'll put it down there. Right then, we'll report back later when we get some. Hopefully we do. This is Hardcore Fisherman, Scott Senior reporting from Whibb Beach. Join us later.